Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today friends, I will show you how to connect your n8n with WhatsApp business. So guys, go to workflow on n8n, click create workflow and just wait, click at first step. From here search for WhatsApp, click on WhatsApp Business Cloud and search on message as you can see here. From here guys, you have credentials to connect here. Click create credentials. From here you should be create client ID and client secret, and you should create from a Meta Business Suite. Go to your Meta Business Suite and click create business portfolio and search for write your name, your business portfolio, and click create one. And then you should be guys to create your own your client ID, and then come to WhatsApp this option and write your client ID and client secret, then click save. For example, this is your client ID, and then just click save. This is how you can do guys to connect your WhatsApp with your n8n. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to give like and give share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. So guys, just simple steps: create client ID and secret codes, and come with connection option and click your client ID.